Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 6.4 question number 2. Write the three terms of GP when the first term A and common ratio R are given. So in this he given the first term, so that is A is given, that is equal to 4, and common ratio is given, that is R is equal to 3. So now he was asking to write the next three terms of GP series. So till now we have studied about arithmetic progression AP series. So in AP the difference between the terms will be same. Here the common ratio will be same. So write the three terms of GP. First we know that nth term of GP, nth term or general term or last term of GP is nothing but, that is an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1, a into r to the power of n minus 1. So now we have to find the first term a1, where a is nothing but 4, r is nothing but 3. So n value is 1, 1 minus 1, okay, 4 into 3 to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. So 4 into 1 is nothing but 4. So this is the first term. So next, second term a2, a is nothing but 4, okay, r is nothing but 3, 2 minus 1, 4, 3 to the power of 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1, 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. So the second term of GP is nothing but 12. Now third term a3, 4 into r to the power of, here r means 3, 3 minus 1. So 4 into 3 to the power of 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. 4 into 3 square is 9. So 4 9s are 36. So I hope you understood this. So this is the general formula to find the nth term of GP series. So if I am finding A1, first term, what I did, I have substituted 1 in the place of n. So that is only 3 to the power of 1 minus 1. So second term, okay, that is A2. I have to substitute 2 in the place of n. Third term, so I have to substitute 3 in the place of n. So this is the way we can find out three terms of GP. Now in this question number 2 we have complete 4 questions. Now I will explain one more question to you. Remaining 2 questions for your homework. Okay. A is nothing but root 5 and r is nothing but 1 by 5. A is nothing but root 5. Common ratio is nothing but 1 by 5. First term is root 5, common ratio is 1 by 5. So we have to find the three terms of GP. So nth term formula is nothing but a into an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So a1, first term, a1 means first term, that is equal to a into r to the power of 1 minus 1. that is nothing but a into r power 0. Anything to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. First term a itself, a value is nothing but root 5, therefore the answer is root 5 here. So a2, okay, a2 second term, that is nothing but a2, a into r to the power of 2 minus 1, that is nothing but a into r. So just you see, a is nothing but root 5, r is nothing but 1 by 5. So just you see here, root 5 is nothing but 5 to the power of 1 by 2. 1 by 5 is nothing but 5 to the power of minus 1. So 1 by 5. Take this 5 to numerator, it becomes 5 to the power of minus 1. So 5 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. If bases are equal, power should be added. So a to the power of m into a to the power of n is nothing but a to the power of m plus n. So if bases are equal, power should be added. So here 5 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is a fraction. Take the LCM. 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. In the denominator, 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 1 by 2. So you will get it minus 1 by 2. This is the second term. Second term is nothing but 5 to the power of minus 1 by 2. And third term, a3, a into r to the power of 3 minus 1. So a into, this is r square. So a value is nothing but root 5. So r square 1 by 5 square here. So root 5 is nothing but, we can write 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Root 5 you can write 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Into 5 to the power of minus 1 whole square. This is 5 to the power of 1 by 2 into 5 to the power of minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Bases are equal, power should be added. 5 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 2. So this, it is looking like a fraction. Simplify, subtract these two fractions. So 1 into 1 is nothing but 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 into 1 is nothing but 2. So minus 3 by 2. What is the answer? 5 to the power of minus 3 by 2. This is the third term of GP series. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends. So remaining two questions you have to try as a homework. So this is first question and second question I solved. Question number 3 and question number 4 as your homework.